What is the heat required to convert 20 grams of water from liquid at 20 degrees Celsius to gas at 100 degrees Celsius? How many steps does this problem have? Is it possible to graph a heating curve of this? If so, graph it and then solve. Okay, so we can graph it. Remember, heat's on the bottom and the temp is on the side. Where are we starting? 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 20 degrees Celsius is there. And then it says we're going to 100. Between 20 and 100, there are no states of change. That's all just temperature change. All right, that'll be our Q1. All right, and then it also says from liquid at 20 to gas at 100. So we can't stop there. If it said liquid at 100, we'd be done. But because it says gas at 100, we have to do the plateau. And we have to change the state. So we're going to go from liquid to vapor. And this one's going to be Q2. All right, so we have two things we need to do here. Okay, specific heat for water is 4.184 joules over grams times degrees Celsius. The mass is 20 grams, and the change in the temperature is going to be, final is 100, the initial is 20. Put it in your calculator. 6,694.4 joules is Q1. Q2 is going to be this change of state here. So we have heat of vaporization times the mass. The heat of vaporization for water is 2256 joules divided by grams. The mass is still 20. All right, and then canceling things out, we'll go back and cancel the grams and then also the degrees Celsius. Leaves us joules. Grams get canceled out here, leaving us with joules. 45,120 joules equals Q2. So now we just have to add these two up, and that'll give us the Q total, which would be our answer once we round it. 51,814.4 joules. If we look at the sig figs, we have 3. So this will be 51,800, and that would be our answer for number 3.